Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I was inspired by these really pretty panel headboards to make my own version for a fraction of the cost. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. My first stop was Home Depot to purchase some inexpensive plywood. I had my plywood cut into 12 by 12 inch pieces. I also purchased 2 foam mattress pads from Walmart. I cut out 2 12 by 12 inch pieces of foam, and I used a spray adhesive to attach those foam pieces to my plywood. I attached the second piece of foam with the flat side faced up. Next, I covered my foam with batting that I purchased from JOANNS fabric. For this project, I'm using my Stanley electric stapler and nail gun. I purchased it from Home Depot some time ago. I'll leave a link to this nail gun in the description box below. Once my batting was securely attached, I then removed the excess. Next, I used a very sharp pair of scissors to make a hole in the center of my foam. I made additional cuts into my foam as well. Instead of faux leather, I'm covering my foam and batting with this shiny white vinyl fabric that I picked up on sale from JOANNS. Here's the tufted design that I decided to make on each of my panels. Once I was happy with my design, I then secured the fabric to the back of my plywood. Once my fabric was securely attached, I then removed the excess. Next, I used a small amount of hot glue to attach one of these crystal buttons right in the center of my design. I followed those same steps to make additional panels. I made 20 panels in total. Each panel is super lightweight and could be hung with one set of command strips. Instead of attaching my panels separately, I decided to attach 4 to these thin poplar wood sticks that I picked up from Home Depot. I'm attaching my sticks with wood glue and brad nails. When I was done attaching my panels to my wood sticks, I had 5 pieces that looked like this. The only thing left to do was add 3 Velcro command strips to each of my sticks and then attach them to the wall. I am really happy with how this week's project turned out, and my daughter loves her new Glam Tufted headboard. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye!